harness connector like this, okay? And we move the line here. They're connected, right? And here we get the connector. There's still no place we can connect the net. For example, I show you the net. How can I connect from it? There's no marker remind us that we need to we can connect, right? Yeah. So here comes the third part. Harness entry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Now we get the place where we can connect, right? And then we can connect this to here, connect this to here, connect this to here, connect this to here, and by this way we can make so many lines into one, right? Now are you clear about this part? And for this we use in different pages. Do you remember the part we talked about different pages connection? We are using port. We use port to connect different cytometric, right? But if we have many lines, we need to use many ports, right? Are you clear? Okay. Yeah. So many port means it takes many spaces and the connection is not easy to identify, right? So this is a problem. And now we just choose to use we move it here. And you see here wrong mark, right? This is another reason because we are in the structure document. Wait a minute, I just delete this part. You don't need to say this example. Let's say saving. Each port is a sheet entry in the symbol. So if we add in the sub-segmentic, in our main segmentic, there's no sheet entry, it will give you a wrong mark. That's the reason. But here we don't talk about it. We just talk about the harness. Now we see here we get this harness, right? Can you see it?
Okay.
And we just copy it to another cytometric. Now, which means these two cytometric connection are building. We have connected one to the other one. Can you understand?
Yes.
Just similar with the port. For example, we can use port. But the problem is port represents only one. Only one line. This represented only one line. And this can connect many lines. That's the difference. Are you clear?
Yeah.
This is also a special skill. Use many ports, no problem. Use this also okay. Just this looks better. Now can you understand?
Yeah.
Now I need you to try to do this on two cytometric and remove the others of our project. Okay? Do it.
আর্নেস্টটা কিভাবে কাজ করে
ওটা কি